Hi, I'm Jimmy Chang, and we're here to talk about how to learn Algebra 1 variables. Now, Algebra 1 is the beginning of the fundamentals of algebra, so when it comes to variables, you'll definitely see a couple of variables that will be used throughout the algebra process, not just Algebra 1, but for Algebra 2. Now, you'll be working a lot with x as well as y, and that'll be the first introduction to what variables are about, because x and y represent unknowns, which is why they're called variables. But you can also look at variables in a way that you could relate to. For example, you might be exploring some geometry ideas involving length and width. So some other variables to consider would be ones to help you understand it better. So L might stand for length, and width would stand for, W would stand for width. And if you are measuring height, you'll use H for height. So more often than not, you might be working with letters that stand for whatever it is that you're looking for. And it all depends on the context, of course. You might be asked to do lowercase letters, L for liters perhaps, or M for meters. It all depends on what it is that you're studying. But you'll start work with X and Y a lot, but then you'll be working with variables that, again, that stand for the context that you're trying to measure in terms of the unknown. So I'm Jimmy Chang, and that's a brief overview on how to learn Algebra 1 variables.